Hi guys, we all want to be liked and loved by others. And here are the 5 ways to be a likable and a lovable person.
I am Sudarshan Jassani Purohit. I started my company at the age of 22 and sold it at the age of 30. You are watching my channel Growing Consciousness.
First would be smile on our face. Smile is a positive energy which attracts other person. So whenever we meet, we must greet with a smile. Smile, invite other person to come and talk to us. Second would be whenever we go in a social event, then we must meet and greet every individual. Through greeting, we would initiate the conversation. Third would be after we have done the greetings, now we must encourage others to speak more about themselves because everyone wants to share their story and want to talk about themselves. So we must give them the opportunity to talk about themselves. Fourth would be we must always initiate the topic of others' person interest. If we are meeting a teacher, then talk about their school. If we are meeting an IT professional, then talk about their projects. If we are meeting an entrepreneur, then talk about their company. The key to make a healthy conversation which make the relationship strong, whether that relationship is a long-term like marriage or a short-term like a single meeting, is by talking in other person interest. By this, we will treat others as they want to be treated, and by that they will be happy whenever they are in conversation with us. Fifth would be praise others whenever you are conversating with them. By this, we make other person feel important and special. The whole point is if we want to be missed when we are not there, which is if we want to be likable and lovable to others, then we have to be an individual who make other person happy and positive. So all the point which I have mentioned in this video will make other person happy and positive after conversating with us. Because of this, he would want to talk to us more, and whenever you are not there, they will miss you. Whenever you meet other person, make them happy and positive by using the ways I have told you in this video and become a likable and lovable individual. Bye bye.